Hey guys, April here, the Love Carbs Coach. I hope you're having a fabulous day. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my banana bread with white beans. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to have white beans in the banana bread. Check it out. Beans are a great addition to banana bread, which is traditionally not so helpful if you're trying to reverse your prediabetes and maybe lose a little bit of weight in the process. Banana bread traditionally is full of oil, loaded with sugar, and it doesn't really have any nutritional benefits. It's just kind of like a filler. I know the last time I was at Starbucks, I checked, you know how they have like the calories on each of the menu items now, and I think the banana bread was over 400 calories, and that was for like a little piece. So I want to make a banana bread that actually does something for you. So gives you some nutrition, gives you some energy, some protein, some antioxidants, and all of these things we need to reverse prediabetes. And of course, healthy carbohydrates. You've got tons of fiber in there as well as the starch. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need are bananas. And I'm gonna do it, you can do it in a food processor, but when you're blending this stuff up, I just have a Ninja. I'm rocking my old, I don't even know how old it is, but it's totally fine, does what I need it to do. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do it up in my Ninja here. So you need 2 bananas. I'll post the link to this recipe just below this video. And so I preheated the oven to 350 and I greased my 8 by, what is it? I want to say 8 by 4, 8 by 5, just sort of a regular loaf pan. It's just that guy. So he's all ready. So bananas, and then you're getting a cup or half of one of those full cans, 540 mils or 19 ounces of the white beans. So half of one of those cans, or which works out to about a cup of white beans. So in those go. And then we get 2 eggs. So those go in. There we go. And we need a 1/4 cup of oil. Okay, there's the oil, that goes in. And the original recipe called for vanilla. I actually don't have any vanilla while I'm making this, but I always add it if the recipe calls for it, because I absolutely love vanilla in baked goods. So if you have some, you can add that in too. And then we're gonna pulse it. Okay, so we'll pulse this. It's okay if it's a little lumpy. It's fine if you have some chunks of banana in there, that's okay. I think that should be fine. Like I said, you can always use your food processor if you prefer. All right, that looks great. Smells nice and banana-y. Okay, we have our flours in here. I have 3/4 of a cup of whole wheat and 3/4 of a cup of white flour. And then I added 1/3 of a cup of sugar. I think the original recipe called for 3/4 of a cup or half a cup. I can't remember. It was a lot. So I was able to cut that quite a bit. So that was nice. And then we need baking soda. So we need a teaspoon of baking soda. Put that in. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and put that in there. So I'm just going to combine this. All right, so that's all combined. Quick stir. I love this recipe too because it's easy. It's pretty quick. And I love it too because of, like I said, the protein and the fiber that the beans add is such a nice change from traditional banana bread or just even a lot of baked goods out there. So it's kind of nice to get that extra nutrition. I'm always looking for that. All right, so we're gonna combine this. So you don't wanna over mix it or it's gonna get tough. So I'm just gonna mix it so everything is
the same consistency, and we get the flours wet with the banana mixture. I think that's good. I'm gonna take the last couple stirs for combining my blueberries.
And in this batch, I'm gonna put some dark chocolate chips. So there's the dark chocolate chips, about 1/4 cup. And then I use about probably a half a cup of frozen wild blueberries. So it's okay if they are frozen. So where I am right now, there are no fresh blueberries. So frozen it is. But what's nice about frozen produce, like fruit and vegetable, as long as there's no added salt, sugar, or fat, it's just as healthy as the fresh stuff. So you don't have to feel bad if you can't access it, or you can't get it, or you can't afford it. You know, it's better to get it in. If it has to be frozen, that's fine. All right, so let me show you what the batter looks like. Oh, yummy. Looks pretty good for raw banana bread dough. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in to our greased loaf pan here. There we go. Now I'm just gonna spread it out a bit. Now my blueberries were sitting out for like not that long, maybe 20 minutes. So now I have a nice blue banana bread, which makes it fun. There we go. Okay. Well, hi Cam. What you doing? Looks like Cammy. You wanna come say hi? Come here. You say hi to the camera. We're having a play date. Can you say hi? You don't want to say hi? Are you shy? See? What are you doing?
No.
Do you like, Cammy, do you like banana bread?
No.
You don't like banana bread?
No.
What do you like?
I like something else.
You like something else? Okay, well, why don't you go get a snack while I finish this? Okay, let me put this in the oven. Mwah.
No.
All right, so then what you're gonna do is, here, I'm gonna hand him off to his daddy and he's gonna go, no! Okay, that was Cameron. He's 3, having lots of fun. Okay, so I'm gonna put the blueberry bread, it looks like blueberry bread, the banana bread with blueberries in the oven. It takes about 50 minutes at 350. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay guys, we are back and I got the banana bread out. Actually my timer just went off for the last minute. And good thing I looked in the oven because it was more than done. It was actually quite a nicely browned, as you can see, top there. So that looks great. That took 47 minutes to be exact. And so now we're gonna enjoy this beautiful banana bread with blueberries. And it has, like I said, much less fat, sugar than regular banana bread. And it's got a whole bunch of wonderful fiber and protein, antioxidants, and in this batch, a little bit of chocolate, which is never a bad thing, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to click the link below if you want to grab the recipe. And I think I hear Cameron. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.